friends, welcome to Shala's Artistry. Today we are going to see how to make Christmas wreath like this using paper and cardboard. Also, we are going to make another Christmas wreath like this using water bottles.
Take a cardboard and make 2 circles using any circular object. Cut and remove both the circles. We are not going to use the circle which is inside. We are going to use only the ring portion of it. Let's start making the first wreath. For this, take a green color satin ribbon and cover half of the circle with it. Cover the remaining part of the circle with white color satin ribbon. Once the ring is fully covered with satin ribbon, let's start making Christmas trees. For this, I have taken color papers of different shades of green. Fold the papers and cut out the shape of Christmas trees and make sure that the sizes are different. Now let us paste the trees to the frame. Apply hot glue and start sticking the trees. Make sure that the darker shades of green goes at the back and the lighter shades of green comes in the front. Turn the frame on the other side and cut out the excess portion of color papers. Now take some cotton and stick it on the white satin ribbon on the ring. Use hot glue and stick a thread to the frame. This is to hang the frame. Take a small piece of A4 sheet or chart paper and a small strand of thread. Fold the chart paper and cut out the shape of a crescent moon. Now you will have 2 pieces of crescent moon. Apply some hot glue and join the thread and the moon together. Join the thread to the frame. Take some white color fabric paint, use a toothbrush and spray it all over the trees. Now our wreath is ready. It is best suitable for a dark colored background. Let's make another wreath. For this, I have taken a cardboard ring and green garland. Wrap the garland around the ring and make sure that there is no gap in between. Now the ring portion is ready. I'm going to add some hangings to it. For this, I'm going to take some bells. These bells are handmade and made up of water bottles. I have used a small bell for the upper portion, so there's a gap between the ring and the bell. I'm joining a thin wire to hang it. This is how it looks as a finished product, and the same wreath can be modified into a different design. For that, I'm going to change the hangings. I've taken a hanging with 3 mini bells and I'm going to join it in the lower portion of the ring. And for the upper portion, I've taken the same big bell that I've used for the previous one. And after joining the bell, you can see that there is no gap between the ring and the bell. It looks as if it's fully covered. Now our second wreath is also ready. If you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel for more such videos.